Hello students, welcome back to the class. Last classes we have discussed about power and function of Chief Minister. So in this class we will continue the same topic, power and functions of Chief Minister. So what are the various powers and functions of Chief Minister we will discuss in the class. Okay, we will go forward. Children, already we know the leader of state, legislative assembly or the leader of state is the Chief Minister. He represents the state at national level. So whenever the meeting is conducted at national level, he represents the states and he played a very prominent role in the state government. Who? Chief Ministers plays a very prominent role in the state government. Okay, first thing, if you see the important power, he is the head of the State Council of Ministers. Chief Minister is the head of the State Council of Ministers. Okay, Chief Minister is the head of party which is in power, in the sense majority party. Okay, Chief Minister is the leader of majority party. The party which have secured more number of seats, that party is called majority party. So Chief Minister is the head of majority party. Chief Minister's main important power is he is the leader of legislative assembly, state legislative assembly. Who is the head of the state legislative assembly? Is Chief Minister. So Chief Minister is the head of state legislative assembly and he is the head of the state also. He is the leader of the people. Okay, he is the leader of the people. So these are the important power of Chief Ministers. Okay, now what are the important functions? These are the last functions. In the previous classes we have discussed about 4 important functions of Chief Ministers. Now we are going for the 5th function. The Chief Minister plays very important role. He presides over the cabinet meeting. He presides over the meeting of cabinet. Okay, children, so I already said you that Chief Minister, okay, what he will do is he selects some eminent persons. Among his party members, he will select some important persons from the party members, and these eminent persons will be on the advisor. He will advise the governor to distribute the portfolios. On the advice of Chief Minister, the governor, what he will do, he will distribute the portfolios to this eminent person. Positions will be distributed, ministries will be distributed. So Chief Minister plays very important role. First, the Chief Minister will select the eminent person from among his members. Okay, and these members were called as cabinet members. On the other hand, the Chief Minister will advise the governor to distribute the portfolios, and the governor will distribute the portfolios and appointment will be given to them. So after that, the Chief Minister will presides over the meeting of cabinet. Okay, presides. He acts as a presiding officer. The Chief Minister will presides over the meeting. So whenever the Chief Minister wanted to introduce any policies, if Chief Minister wanted to introduce any policies, he will introduce the policies. Okay, before he will presides over the meeting. After presiding the meeting, in this meeting he will discuss about plans, policies, okay, etc. Now, Chief Minister is the chairman of state cabinet members. I already said you, Chief Minister is here we have discussed, he is the head of Council of Ministers. Okay, Council of Ministers are nothing but the cabinet ministers. So Chief Minister is the chairman of state council of state cabinet ministers, we can find. And Chief Ministers will convince the cabinet meeting, means he will continue the cabinet meeting. What is meant by convinces is nothing but bringing together for meeting. He brings all the people together. So whenever the meeting will be conducted, the Chief Ministers will bring all the members together. That is called as convince. Call the meeting. So whenever the Chief Ministers will call the meeting, all the peoples will gather. Okay, so that is bringing all the people together is called as convince. What is convince? Whenever if you are bringing all the people together is called as convince. The Chief Minister will convene the cabinet meeting. So whenever the meeting will be conducted, so when the Chief Minister will call the meeting, everybody will attend in the meeting. Now Chief Ministers will preside in that meeting. The Chief Ministers will discuss about the important goal and agenda, and he initiate discussions. Discussions will be carried out. So whenever the Chief Ministers will preside over the meeting, these meetings will be mainly take place. In this meeting, discussions will be going to take place and different type of agenda, different type of issues. That is one point. Now come to the point of last important functions. 6 important functions of Chief Minister is, Chief Minister acts as a link between the governor as well as Council of Ministers, State Council of Ministers. Okay, Chief Minister act as a link between the Governor and State Council of Ministers. This is the duty that Chief Minister's duty is what? The Chief Minister duty is to communicate. The Chief Minister will communicate his decisions with the Council of Ministers. So, whatever the decisions which are taken by the Council of Ministers, the Chief Ministers will receive that decisions